Ring and ball apparatus test. You can observe the equipment used for softening point test using ring and ball apparatus. Coming to the test, bitumen does not suddenly change from solid to liquid, but as temperature increases, it gradually becomes softer until it flows readily. The softening point is the temperature at which the substance attains particular degree of softening under specified condition of the test. For bitumen, it is usually determined by ring and ball test. A brass ring containing the test sample of bitumen is suspended in liquid like water or glycerine at given temperature. A steel ball is placed upon the bitumen and liquid medium is then heated at specified rate. The temperature at which the softened bitumen touches the metal plate placed at specified distance below the ring is recorded as softening point of a particular bitumen. The whole test is conducted in a temperature controlled chamber. The apparatus and test procedure are standardized by BAS. Bitumen is heated to floating temperature and at that
Second ring or
temperature
third
bitumen
ring?
is filled in the brass rings and it is allowed to cool down to room temperature. After it cools down to room temperature, is filled in the brass rings. Coming to the apparatus, steel balls, two steel balls, each of diameter 9.5 mm and weight 2.5 grams, and brass rings of depth 6.5 mm and inside diameter at 17.5 mm inside at top and inside diameter at the bottom is 15.9. Outside diameter of the brass ring is 20.6 mm. The metal support is used for placing the ring. The steel balls are placed on the ring filled up with bitumen, and these rings are placed on the metal support to avoid sticking of the bitumen to the metal plate. Coating is done to which a solution of glycerine and dextrin is made. After this metal support is used for placing the rings and the whole setup is placed in the water bath in the jar. And the whole setup is placed on the ring and ball apparatus and the temperature is raised at a rate of 5 degrees per minute, 5 degrees centigrade per minute, with a control heating unit until the bitumen softens and touches the bottom plate by sinking of balls. At least two observations are made for materials whose softening point is above 80 degrees centigrade. Glycerin is heat Glycerin is used as heating medium and starting temperature is 35 degrees instead of 5 degrees. In this case, the initial temperature of water starts from 26 degrees centigrade and is the stirrer. The purpose of the stirrer is to maintain uniform temperature across the water bath in the jar, and it rotates with the help of magnetic field induced in it such that it revolves. It creates little turbulence. On the apparatus you can observe the temperature of the water is 30 degrees centigrade now. Gradually it is increasing and even the stirrer speed is adjusted with the help of this white knob. As the temperature gradually increases, observe until the steel ball touches the steel plate. You can observe the stirrer creating turbulence in the water bath. It facilitates maintaining uniform temperature across the whole water bath. The temperature is raised until the steel ball touches the steel plate. The temperature at the instant when the ball touches the bottom plate of the support is recorded as softening value. As in other physical tests on the bitumen, it is essential that specifications discussed above are strictly observed. Quality and type of the liquid in the bath, and weight of the balls, and distance between bottom of the ring and bottom base plate. Impurity in water or glycerine has been observed to affect the result considerably. It is logical to observe lower softening point if weight of the ball is excessive. On the other hand, increase in the distance between the ring and the bottom plate indicates higher value of the softening point. The temperature is 44 degrees and gradually the temperature is being raised until the ball touches the bottom plate. Applications of softening point. Softening point is essentially the temperature at which bitumen binder have an equal viscosity. The softening point of tar is therefore related to equiviscous temperature. The softening point found at ring and ball apparatus is approximately 20 degrees centigrade lower than equiviscous temperature, that is EVT. Softening point thus give an idea of the temperature at which bitumen materials attain a certain viscosity. Bitumen with higher softening point may be preferred in warmer places. Softening point is also sometimes used to specify hard bitumens and pitches. As per Bureau of Indian Standards, the requirement of softening point for paving bitumen are as follows: VG10 40 degrees centigrade, VG20 minimum 45 degrees, VG30 minimum 47 degrees, and VG40 minimum 50 degrees. The test method followed is IS 1205 1978, and the grade specified by Bureau of Indian Standards is paving grades. The temperature is further raised and it is observed until the ball touches the bottom plate. Temperature is 46 degrees centigrade, and you can observe the ball starts intruding into the bitumen of the ring as the temperature rises. The temperature is raised at 5 degrees centigrade per minute. As the temperature rises, the ball moves down the bitumen and it touches the bottom plate, and the temperature at which bitumen softens is 52 degrees centigrade.